The following message is transmitted by request of the Medina Police Department. This is not a test. At 12:10 a.m., reports got out from a ranch-style apartment that people were smelling a skunk smell. The smell is strong and can pose a threat to the health and sanity of some people, especially those with sensory problems and are sensitive to strong smells. Symptoms of prolonged exposure to the skunk smell include, but not limited to, the following: nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, and anger issues. Take precautions against this condition. Keep all doors and windows of your houses or apartments shut, and shut off your air conditioners if you are using them. Do not let any of your pets outside, as you run the risk of having your pet getting a skunk smell. If you see a skunk outside your house or apartment, do not make any eye contact with it. Please stay tuned to this or other media outlets as this situation gets under control. The following is transmitted by request of the Medina Police Department. This is an update to the situation regarding reports of a skunk smell in the town of Medina. A 69-year-old man was noted seeing the skunk nearby his apartment unit, and immediately ran back inside once he noted a sight of the skunk, let alone the smell. Once inside, he called the Medina Police Department, who is also contacting an exterminator to take care of the skunk in a humane manner. If you are residing at the ranch-style apartment in Medina, New York, you are requested to stay inside your apartment unit until an all-clear has been given. Do not open any doors or windows, as you could be putting yourself in danger for letting the skunk inside your apartment or exposing yourself to the skunk smell. Stay tuned to this or other media outlets as this situation gets under control. An administrative message from the Medina Police Department. At approximately 1:06 a.m., the skunk responsible for causing a horrible smell outside the ranch-style apartments in Medina, New York, has been successfully captured by the exterminator. Although the smell that the skunk made was strong, authorities have cited that nobody has suffered any ill effects, and that the danger to any residents in this radius is over. The police would like to thank the public in the town of Medina for their cooperation. The emergency alert system will now sign off.